Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube app not working on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fix your YouTube app because it's not working. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what you're first going to do is that there's multiple things. The first thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and unplug your TV for about 60 seconds. Leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds and then go ahead and plug it back in. Check and see if the YouTube app works after that. Afterwards, you can actually find the YouTube app if it's still not working. Press and hold the center button here. And then what'll happen is that you could actually go ahead and view it in the Play Store. So once you go ahead and view it in the Play Store, you could actually go ahead and uninstall it and then reinstall the app and check and see if that works. Now, as a last resort, the last thing that you could do is click on the home button, and then we're going to go up to where it says quick settings. And then you're going to click on all settings on the top right, scroll down, click on system again, and then scroll down. And then we're just going to go ahead and click on restart. So what this is going to do is that it's going to restart your TV and check and see if the YouTube app then works. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix the YouTube app not working on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.